How to get custom skin on Minecraft Switch. So you can conduct this process using any of your device, including your PS4, Xbox or PC as well. For this, you can launch your Minecraft in a browser, Steam or even use an application. So first step is to launch your Minecraft application. Then from here, you don't have to tap on the playing option. You can just go ahead and tap on the hangar icon or the store icon. You have to select the option of your avatar. Then right here, you will land in the dressing room. You will find a lot of options to dress up your avatar. You already have some of the default clothes that you can select for your avatar, or you will even be able to purchase some, or you will receive as a gift. As you can see right here, Minecraft also launches or provides you with various types of skin that you can select from, whether it is anime or Greek mythology. You can just scroll down and select the one that you prefer to. Regarding the customization of a skin, you simply cannot customize a skin of your preference for now in Minecraft. You can select within the store inventory, but you cannot go ahead and create one of your own. This is because Minecraft has not launched such feature, and this is nothing that we can do on our end. We hope that you found this video informative to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.